Good morning. I'm gonna do a mini pre-workout vlog. So I start off. I get my set. This is a set from Zara. I absolutely love it. It looks cute. It looks cute. It's cute. It's cute. Would I recommend it? No. It looks cute, but but anyway, yeah. So I start off. I literally have 8 minutes to get everything to go. At least 8 minutes or 13 minutes, but we should be out of here soon. But I start off with my lemon water. I think I'm gonna start adding apple cider vinegar to my morning routine. But for now, I have my lemon water, and I have all my ingredients for my cocktail ready, and my shots ready. And I'm gonna have a quick bite before I head out. I normally have a banana and a protein bar, but I wanted to do eggs today, so I'm going to have that. I normally have 3 eggs. I want to maintain my body weight. I don't want to lose, so I eat quite a lot. I eat a lot, so I will lose weight easily, and I don't want to go through that again. No, so I eat a lot to maintain. I have to drink really fast. Okay, so I'm done. I'm gonna quickly do this. A quickie. I'll show you. So this is glutamine pure, gut health and muscle growth. Protein. I'm running out of water. And it has the spoon in there, the scoop in there, but I've had this since last year, so I've been going on and off, but this year I've been consistent, and that's why it's kind of like running out, but yeah. And I'm gonna put a bit of the liquid chlorophyll, you guys. This is my favorite. I don't really like this brand. I mean, like, it's not the worst, but there's one that I prefer from Chemist Warehouse. It tastes really good, and I feel like you can like put it in water and like you can have it for the rest of the day. But this is I'm gonna put a bit of water because I feel like it's too concentrated. So I'm gonna have my shot first. These are nasty. Nasty. Oh god. I put pepper in mine, so it's a bit like zesty. Things. And turmeric as well, but I can taste the pepper. What we do for health, oh my god. But I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think for me, wellness honestly has always been natural to me. Even when I was younger, I used to do like a lot of things, including, I remember I used to do a lot of like homemade facial masks. I think I should get back to that again because I really like them and they really really helped. I think I want to get back to that too, you know. And not that I'm gonna leave the chemical like store-bought ones, but just incorporate that into my beauty routine. Know what I mean? Okay, cool. Okay, cool. That's just nasty. Okay, let me finish this. It's just simple eggs. I just added this is what I added, just that. Oh my god, I'm gonna make it. I'm so proud of myself. 3 minutes, 1 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna make it still. I woke up like guys, my sleep today was so weird. So I went to bed last night at 11, around 11. And I kept waking up to see if it's time to wake up because I set my alarm to 7. And I remember around 4 o'clock, I woke up and I was like seeing the time, like, is it 7 yet? Oh my god. I woke up like 3 times. And then the last time it was like 6:43. I was like, F it, I'm waking up. I don't know why I was so anxious to wake up. It was the funniest thing. I was like, I have to sleep more. It was the funniest thing because, like, why wouldn't you want to sleep? Have you seen my haircut? Wait. My haircut is it? Oh my god, I shaved up my eyebrow last night. I don't know why I did that, but at least they don't grow back. But wait, my hair. I love my hairstyle. I don't know what it is, but I love feeling like this bald part. There's just something about having really short hair. Yo, I'm so happy. But anyway, I'm gonna finish this off real quick because I've got like 5 minutes to leave. And then, yeah, and then go. But anyway, hope you have a good day. Hope you're healing. Hope you're kind to people and hope you are being your authentic self. Okay, bye.